Hello students, today we are in the lecture module 2. Today we are discussing some the numerical example based on the NCERT solutions. Right. So how are 0.5 mole 0.50 mole of sodium carbonate, right, once more. 0.50 moles of sodium carbonate and 0.5 capital M. Capital M stand for molarity of sodium carbonate different. How these are different? Let's see. Moles. There is 0.50 mole. Capital M 0.50 M. M stand for molarity. So molar mass of this compound is 106. Molar mass is 106. 0.50 mole means, last time we have discussed moles is equal to weight by molar mass. So we have the 0.5. We don't know the weight and we are divided by the 106. So weight is equal to 0.5 into 106. It means the weight is the 53 gram. 53 grams. So 53 grams. So it means the 53 gram contain 0.5 moles. 53 gram of the substance contain 0.5 moles. This is about the moles. Right, students? So what is the mean of capital M? Capital M means 53 gram of sodium carbonate present in 1 liter. Right? 53 gram dissolved in a 1 liter, that is called 0.5 molar. This is the difference between the 0.5 moles and 0.50 molarity. Understood, students? Okay, let's see one more example. 10 volume of dihydrogen gas react with 5 volume of dioxygen gas. How many volume of water vapor could be produced? Hydrogen, oxygen combined to form water molecules, that is 2 moles. 2 moles. We are using the stoichiometry 2 volume, stoichiometry 1 volume, stoichiometry 2 volume. Similarly, we are using in place of 2, can we use 10 volume of hydrogen gas, 5 volume of oxygen gas forms 10 volume of water molecules. So total answer is 10 volume. Right, students? That's what. So this is one of the important example, students. The question 34 in the NCERT. A welding fuel gas contain carbon and hydrogen only. Burning small sample of it is oxygen. If it oxygen, carbon hydrogen burn in presence of oxygen, it gives 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.690 gram of water. No other product except of water and carbon dioxide, no other products are formed here. Volume of 10.0 liter, 10.0 liter LTR liter of welding gas formed the 11.6 gram. So here, students, we are using the 11.56 grams. 11.56 grams are adding into the 10 liter of volume of the container. We are adding water, the gas we are need for the preparation of the welding gas. We are adding the material 11.6 gram and it in a 10 liter of volume of the container. So calculate empirical formula, molecular mass and molecular mass. 44 gram of carbon dioxide is 12 gram. 3.38 gram means how many carbon? So we are multiplying, we got the carbon is 0.921 gram. Students. Similarly, 18 gram of water means 2 gram. 18 gram of water contain 2 gram of hydrogen. Students, 2 gram of hydrogen. and 0.690 gram water contain how many gram of hydrogen? So it contain 0.90 gram contain 0.767 gram of hydrogen. Right, friends? Compound of carbon and hydrogen. It means the carbon is 0.9218 gram, hydrogen is 0.0767 gram. So total compound mass is 0.998 compound. So it means whatever the compound is adding into the chamber, the carbon hydrogen mass taken as here 0.9985 gram. Right. So this mass is a 100% gram. So percentage of carbon we have to find out here. 0.9985, it means 100 gram. So 0.9818 means how many grams? How many percentage? Means 100 percentage. Means it is how many percentage? So we are cross multiplying here the 9.921 into 100 divided by 0.0985. So percentage of carbon. The percentage of carbon is 92.32 percentage. Percentage of hydrogen 0.9985 is means 100 gram. 0.676 means how many percentage? 0.676 into 10 to the power of into 100 divided by total mass. This mass we are using here, students. 0.9985. That is percentage of hydrogen is 7.68. Right. So let's come to the empirical formula. We are using here atom, carbon, hydrogen, percentage by mass 92.32, percentage of carbon 92.32, atomic mass of carbon 12. So moles of carbon 92.32 divided by 12, we got 7.61. Ratio, we will calculate ratio, we will calculate later. Number of atom, hydrogen, percentage of hydrogen 7.68, atomic mass 1. So moles, mass by molar mass 7.68 by 1, that is 7.68. Again smallest value divided by the their value to get the ratio in whole number. The whole number is 1. So simplest ratio 1. So empirical formula, carbon, hydrogen, carbon 1 and hydrogen 1. So empirical mass is 13. Right, students? Okay, next the volume, the container, 10 liter of container which contain 11.6 gram of mass. 22.4 liter contain how many mass? So 22.4 liter, that is 1 mole of volume of the gas. The 1 mole of volume of the gas contain the 25.986, that is 26 gram. One mole volume of the gas contain 26 gram. So molar mass is 26. Moles is equal to molar mass by empirical mass. Molar mass is 26 divided by 13. We got moles to molecular formula. To find out, we have to calculate moles into empirical formula. C2H2. C2H2 mass is again carbon, hydrogen 2 carbon, atomic mass 12 plus 2 hydrogen, atomic mass 1. So this is 24 plus 2, that is 26. So here also 26. Right, students? So it means this is the correct answer, students. Empirical mass is correct. Right, students? So I will give some example, students. Regarding this, I will give some example to find out in your textbooks. Okay, thank you.